In this video, you will learn how to assemble and disassemble. What is the importance of assembly and disassembly? Assembly and disassembly is important in today's production system because if this aspect is not considered, it could lead inefficient operations and excessive material usage, both of which have. Step 1. Remove the system case. Press the little lever down that unlocks the side panel, then remove the case carefully. Step 2. Remove all the cables on the motherboard. Remove all the cables that connected on the motherboard or in your computer. Step 3. Unscrew and remove the power supply. Remove all the screws on the back. Place your hand on the back of the power collect, then grab all the wires and slide the power supply back till it comes free. Step 3. Unscrew and remove the hard disk drive. To remove HDD, you need to unscrew it, then pull it carefully. Step 4. Remove the RAM. To remove the RAM modules, you will simply need to press down the tabs at either end of the slots the RAM modules fit into. Step 5. Remove the heatsink. Unscrew both sides of the heatsink, then after, don't pull it hard, just pull it slowly, then remove it from the CPU. Remove the motherboard. Remove the screws that secure the motherboard to the computer case. Be careful not to let your screwdriver touch the motherboard itself when removing these screws, as it may cause damage. Once you have removed all the mounting screws, you may carefully remove the motherboard from the computer case.